Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Stack Space. In this video, I teach you what is the fatal car accident attorney. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. So now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search what is the fatal car accident lawyer. You can see the different result that will be show after searching what is the fatal car accident attorney. So now read one by one. If fatal car accident lawyers will know how to analyze collisions and determines who is at fault, you will develop a stronger understanding of what occurred during the accident and what your options are in the aftermath. They all this the websites that is related to fatal car accident law. We can check that websites looking so good, but what is in it we can read one by one. So here is the fatal car accident law. Car accident can be a traumatic and life-changing. Each year, millions of people across the country suffer injuries in motor vehicles accident and tens of thousands of people pass away. Car accident death devastate families, friends, and communities. The California Office of the Traffic Safety reports that there were 3,074 car accident deaths throughout the state in 2021. For thousands of people struggle with grief and loss in the aftermath of fatal accident in California. If your loved one has passed away, how you will spice your life back together? There are easy answers, and people find their way to cope and rebuild their lives. One step that often proves helpful is to contact a reputable fatal car accident lawyers. How can a fatal car accident lawyers help you? Car accident occurs under a variety of circumstances. Many of them involves negligent or irresponsible behavior after deadly collisions. An experienced attorney can serve as your legal guide and advocate. Your attorney will build a strong case for you and fight for you to receive fair financial compensations. Although receiving compensations does not lessen the grief of loss, losing someone you care about it. So that website is looking so good. We can read one by one. As you need to read, then you read. So now our topic is end. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.